Welcome to Strictly Kitchen and Bath. In the next few moments, we'll guide you through the installation of your square disposal flange with a clear, step-by-step visual walkthrough designed to make the process simple and stress-free. Before beginning installation, we recommend watching each step completely. Feel free to pause this guide at any time and proceed at a pace that's comfortable for you. Let's get started. Review the diagram and parts list to ensure you have a compatible garbage disposal. For this installation to be successful, your disposal must have a removable mounting ring and snap ring assembly. If you are reusing an existing disposal, be sure to retain these components from your previous setup to avoid an unnecessary trip to the hardware store. It's also important to note that select parts from your disposal assembly will need to be removed and repurposed for use with the square flange components and gaskets provided. Before you begin, gather the following tools: safety glasses, and a Phillips screwdriver. Parts A, B, and C are installed from above the sink, while parts D and E are secured from underneath. Insert the flange components into the drain opening, then prepare the mounting ring and snap ring. Loosen the mounting ring bolts to create enough space to slide it into position. Once it clicks into place, tighten each screw evenly to secure the flange. Plumber's putty is not required for this installation. The provided gaskets create a secure, form-fitting seal. Next, align your disposal unit and rotate it onto the mounting ring until it is fully sealed and properly oriented toward the main drain connection. After completing the plumbing connections, insert the stopper and run water with the sink plug to check for leaks. If any leaks appear, confirm that the mounting ring and snap ring are tightened securely against the underside of the sink. Once no leaks are present, installation is complete, and your sink is ready for everyday use. If you have any questions or need additional assistance during installation, our team is always here to help. You can reach us anytime for support, guidance, or clarification to ensure everything is compatible, installed correctly, and working as intended. Thank you for choosing Strictly Kitchen and Bath.